Grab your favorite cup of coffee, sit back, and get ready, because in this video, you're going to master Python's name tuple. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create super readable, efficient, and immutable data structures in no time. So let's dive right in. Imagine you have a person with a name, age, and city. With name tuple, you can give each piece of data a name, so you don't have to remember which index holds what. Super handy, right? You can access each piece by name, which makes your code clean and readable. But hey, if you love traditional tuples, don't worry. You can still access the values by index. It works exactly like a normal tuple, so you get the best of both worlds: readability with named access and flexibility with indexing. And here's a Python trick everyone loves: unpacking. You can break your named tuple into separate variables effortlessly. Imagine taking Alice's name, age, and city and having them ready to use anywhere in your code. That's neat, right? But wait, there's more magic. You can see all the field names at once, making your code easier to understand and debug. Need a dictionary instead of a name tuple? No problem. You can convert it in an instant, ready for any task, even JSON conversion. And here's a fun one. Name tuples are immutable, but you can create a modified copy with ease. Change one value, keep the rest intact, and never worry about accidentally modifying your original data. Immutability is powerful, my friends. So there you have it, a complete tour of Python's name tuple. If you want to level up your Python skills even more, check out the courses section for tons of free Python tutorials. And if you enjoyed this video, support the channel by hitting subscribe and joining our awesome community. Thanks for watching, keep coding, and see you in the next video.